you've not got the best, deal, and you feel that it could have been all better. But then I guess that's just a part of the choices that you make. Maybe I should not have done that film. I can't say it otherwise. I had the option to say no, which I'm doing now. So the
And
reason
is
I'm
that
taking my
helping you by
time.
saying no?
Sorry.
Is that helping you when you're saying no to the project?
Yeah, I think it's. I think you have to be very clear what you want to do, what kind of film you want to do, and it takes time. I think the actors are paid. I always say that, and Jack Nicholson has said that we are paid to wait. We wait for years for that one film, and that one film then gives you all that you waited for. So, and if you're talented, and if you can maintain yourself, then wait. Why not? That's why I also feel that this should not be your only way, the only means of a living. Bread and butter should not be only movies.
True.
Because there's no consistency. आपको कुछ और करना बहुत जरूरी है. तो आप ये सोचो आप ये पैसों के लिए कर रहे हो या आप ये पैशन के लिए कर रहे हो. अगर पैसों के लिए कर रहे हो तो फिर तब करो जब आप एक लेवल पे पहुंच जाते हो, फिर आपको उस टाइप के पैसे मिलेंगे तो ठीक है. बट इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग योर करियर, do not make any creative compromises because of financial reasons. फिर problems हो जाती हैं. Because then you don't choose the right kind of roles. You don't feel justice has been, that your role is justified. Raw deal hai. I could have done better, or maybe the film could have. कुछ तो कुछ ऐसे एक ebb, ऐसे कोई ऐसी problem लगती है.
हाँ.
वो तो हर जगह, आई मीन, satisfaction एक टेक्नीशियन को, एक प्रोफेशनल को, we never satisfied 100%. And I think that is what also helps us grow in life. That keeps the fire in the belly alive. है ना?
Yeah, of course.